If you don't like wasting money but still want great results, then tune in Why.te. Here's how to nail mobile ads. Mobile paid advertising is your ticket to reaching audiences right where they are on their smartphones and tablets. But what types of ads can you use? First up, mobile display ads, those eye-catching graphics on websites and apps. Then mobile search ads, the text ads you see on search engines. Don't forget mobile video ads, perfect for pre-roll spots, and native ads, which blend seamlessly into content. And finally, interstitial ads, full-screen takeovers that demand attention. So, where can you run these ads? Google Ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, and AdMob are all top platforms. Each offers unique ways to create, manage, and optimize your campaigns. Why go mobile? Increased reach, targeted advertising, measurable results, and cost-effectiveness are just the beginning. To succeed, optimize for mobile, use clear messaging, eye-catching visuals, target your audience wisely, and always monitor and tweak for better results. Ready to transform your marketing game? Go mobile and see the difference.